Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining our online lessons for today. Okay, so start with my presentation first. All right. So my name is Arina Asri, and I am the application engineer at Acad Systems number Hyde. And for today's topic, we're going to learn on the civil site design in Civil 3D. Right, so I hope that you can hear my voice and also you can view my screen. Okay, so what we're going to see for today is this is our demonstration. So basically, I have this my whole site over here, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to create exactly the same as on the right side, on the picture on the right side here. So in order to create all this site design, so basically I'm going to use the parcel, creating a parcel to create this site, right? Okay, so what is parcel? Parcel is in Civil 3D typically used to represent real estate parcel, such as lots in a division. So a parcel boundary is a closed polygon. So meaning that in order for us to create all those subdivision, maybe like you in a project, you have a whole big site or a project. And then from that site, you want to divide them into a separate subdivision, or maybe into a separate property. Like for instance, this one, you want to make it as the open space, and that one and another space you want to make it as the residential area. So you can do that using these parcel tools. Okay, so all right, so now I'm going to open my Civil 3D. All right, so thank you to the one that we just joined. So basically, we just started to create this parcel to create the site design in Civil 3D. Okay, so I am currently sharing my Autodesk Civil 3D software, right? So if you see over here, this is my drawing, and from this drawing, I have this, I can say this one as my site, my whole site over here. And then from this side, I want to create the parcel or the subdivision for the area. All right. So I have created as well this red line here. So if I click on this red line, this is the polygon. All right. So this polygon, this one I draw myself using these draw tools here, using this polygon, because I want to make it as the reference for me to create the parcel later on. So I just create this polygon from scratch. Okay, so now to create a parcel, so we need to go to home button up here, and then we have a parcel. All right, so from this parcel, what I'm going to do is to create a parcel. I'm going to create first one parcel, which is that one parcel is for the whole site. So means that the parcel number one will be this whole site. Then after we have create that one parcel for the whole site, then we will later we will create or we will separate using the subdivision for each of the spaces that or the area that we have here. So I'm going to click on this parcel and then click on create parcel from object. So if you see over here, to create parcel, we have few options to create a parcel, which is creating parcel using creation tools. This one is more like you create manually. And then we have as well the create parcel from object. So for instance, if you have a line already, and then that line forms a shape, and that shape you want to make it as a parcel, so you can use this create parcel from object. And then we can create the right of way as well in this Civil 3D for the site. So I'm going to use this create parcel from object, All right, and then the first parcel that we're going to create is this for the whole site. So I'm going to click on, so in order to create a parcel, you need make sure that you form a closed loop for the parcel. Make sure that you select the line, and then that line form a closed loop, so the parcel will be created. If not, the parcel cannot automatically be created. Okay, again, parcel, create parcel from object, and I'm going to click on this first green line, so the whole green line here, whole green polyline, and then this pink line, this magenta line. So it will form a closed loop, and then this one will be the first parcel. All right, so thank you to the one that just joined. So we are creating a parcel in our site, in our drawing, to form a site. Okay, and then I have clicked on this magenta and green polygon here, and then I can click on enter. So when I click enter, this one will appear, create parcel from object, and then the site is lot layout and the parcel style. So we have few parcel styles. So basically I want to use the basic one, and make sure that you tick on erase existing entity. So when you create parcel from object, means that you create parcel from this line, this existing line that we have in this drawing. So if you select this or tick this erase existing entities, or later on after it have created the parcel, this green polygon line will be erased, will be deleted. Okay, now I can click on OK. So that is my first parcel. Okay, so if you see, my first parcel is this basic one along with the area. So this whole site will be the first parcel. So from this whole site here, I want to create as well a subdivision parcel from this whole site. So what I can do is, again, I can go to a parcel and then create parcel from object. I'm going to select this line, this red line here. This one, and then when I select this parcel, this red line, so meaning that it has formed a closed loop, which is currently we already select the green line just now, and then that green line has formed a parcel line. So when we click on this red line, it will form a closed loop on this left side here. So I'm going to click on enter, and this one, the parcel style, I'm going to change to property, erase existing entities, and then I'm going to click on OK. All right, so that is my property 2. All right, and then the same exact ways to do for the other properties. So I'm going to create another properties or another parcel, which is here, because I have this red line here, this polygon red line here, so it can separate. It can create a subdivision between this parcel basic number 1. Okay, now again, parcel, create parcel from object. I'm going to click on this red line here, enter, and the parcel style is in property, click on OK. So that is my property number 3. And then I'm going to do the same thing as well on this side. So let's create this one. This whole until here will be property number 4. So again, parcel, create parcel from object, and I'm going to select this one. I have created a line as well. This line I want to create as a right of way. So I'm going to select this line. So this whole line will become a closed loop until here. I'm going to click on enter and click on OK. All right, so that is my property number 4. All through this one is my property 4. And then the next one is my property number 5, which is I want to separate this whole property 4 to become a 2 property, which is this one is property 4 and this one is property 5 until here. So can go to parcel, create parcel from object, and I'm going to select this red line, enter, and okay, and that is my property number 5. This is property number 4 and this is property number 5. Okay, and then on this area, I want to separate as well these two using the red line center here, is or meaning that this one will be property number 6. Okay, so I'm going to select the parcel, create parcel from object, and select this one first. Select this one, select this, and this line, the right of way line. I'm going to click on enter and click on OK. So that is my properties number 6. So currently we have 7 properties, including the inside, which is the road design here. All right. So so now if you go to the prospector over here, and then you see on the side, you find the sites and drop down the lot layout, you can find the parcel. So if you drop down this parcel, so basically you have the list of your parcel. So all right, so if you go down on this site, on this prospector on sites, you can find this parcel. So these are the list of the parcel that we have created, which is we have basic 1 until property number 7. Right. So now, for example, I want to change this because the reason why this parcel is different, because if you see this basic one, we have like a hatching, and while the property 2 until 7, we don't have any hatching. It is because of the parcel style. So this parcel style, for instance, I want to change this parcel style for this basic to become a property style as well. So I can click on this parcel, click on this basic, and then you can right click on the properties and select the object style to property, and then click on apply, click OK. So now our parcel style for basic one is now already changed to property 1. All right. So if you again see on the left side on the prospector on your parcel, if you click on the list of your property here, if you see, you can see the preview of your parcel, the preview shape of your parcel. Like for instance, property 1, this one, and that is the shape. This is the property 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. So if you cannot see this property, make sure that you turn on this one. Click here to toggle the use of item previews. And also you can right click the parcel and refresh so that it will appear, or the list of this parcel will appear here. Okay, so that is how you create a parcel. And then now, for example, I want to create on this area as well. I want to create parcel as well in this area. So what I can do is can go to a parcel. Before that, let me just make some amendment here. So if you see, in order for us to create a parcel, we need to form a closed loop. So this one, I need to make it connected on this line, because if not, it will not form a closed loop. So I can stretch this point and make it here, and I can choose perpendicular and then select here. All right, now I have stretch this line. Now I can go back to my parcel and then click on parcel creation tools. Okay, and then click on this one, draw tangent with no curves. Okay, and this one, the parcel style, I'm going to change to property. Click on OK, and I'm going to select this line. Go to here, stop here, till here, and then close the loop. So shift right click, perpendicular, and then select this line. So basically it have created the property 9 over here. So should be this a property 7, but if you see over here, this on this side it form a closed loop and it will automatically read as a different parcel. All right. So for instance, you don't want this property 8 because it is too small. Okay. And what you can do is we can delete this line to make this property number 8 disappear. So again, click on parcel creation tools, and click on this one, delete sub entity. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to delete this line. So when I delete this sub entity, the property number 8 will disappear automatically. Okay, so that is how you create a parcel from tangent with curve. And then now we're going to create a subdivision for this area. So to create the subdivision, go to parcel and then click on parcel creation tools, and I'm going to select this one. This one is slide line create. So click this one, and at the start, the parcel style is still property. Click on OK, and then it will ask you to select parcel to be subdivided. So the first parcel that I want to create the subdivision will be this property 5, this one. Okay, so select property 5, and then start from here. It will ask you to select start point from front edge. So select here, go all through this way until the end of the property number 5, which is here. Okay, and then you can also specify the area, how much area that you want to set for the subdivision, and the minimum front edge. You can also set here. Okay, so I'm going to make this one as the maybe around 15,000 square feet. Enter, and I'm going to click on, and then it will ask you specify angle or bearing. So meaning that you need to specify the angle between your subdivided parcel. So meaning that I want to make it 90 degree. So I can input the 90 degree, enter, and the parcel will be automatically created. Okay, and then I'm going to click on enter again. So that is my subdivided parcel for this area only. All right, now I'm going to continue with this property, property number 4. I'm going to select parcel again, parcel creation tools, slide line create, okay, and select this property, which is property 4, and the first point or the start point of front edge, go until here or to until here. Click on 90 degree bearing, enter, and that is my parcel. So for instance, for this property or for this parcel, subdivided parcel, you don't want to make, you want to change the area. The minimum area will be around 20,000 square feet, enter, and it will automatically calculate and create a new minimum area for your parcel. Then click on enter. Okay, and then we're going to do on this side as well. So yep. Again, we're going to go to parcel creation tools, select this one again, and okay. And I'm going to select this property number 6. And select this line. Select start front edge. This one, okay. Parcel creation tools, and I'm going to slide line create. Okay, and property number 1. All right, and stop here, enter, and that is my my second last subdivision. Okay, and then the last one, again, parcel creation tools. Select this one. I'm going to select this property 6 and draw from this one to here again. Click on enter. So that is my subdivided parcel. Okay, and then next, what I'm going to do next is, okay, so for instance, on this property 3 here, I'm going to change this one. Maybe this one we want to create a open space. Maybe you want to create a font and so on. So this one we can change the style of this parcel. So if you see this one, probably we want to create this one as for our residential project. So that's why we create the subdivided property. And then this one we will left it as the an open space area. And then I want to create as well this one as this open space area. So I need to delete all this property here so that it will appear as a big space. So to delete again, like I said just now, click on the delete sub entity and then select this line. Click again, select this line, and click again, and then select this line. So it will become a one property here. And then in here, I can click on this property number 3 and property 26. I can go to properties and then select the style. The style currently is the property. So before that, this one, select this one and then go to parcel properties. All right, so the object style is property. So I'm going to change to open space and edit open space. And the parcel segment is turned on. The parcel area field is also turned on. And I want to make it appear as the hatching. So the pattern here, I can change this one into solid fill, browse, and I'm going to make this as this one. Okay. And click on OK. And then the angle here, probably around 45 degrees, and the scale is 20. Click on apply, OK. I'm going to click on OK. So it will automatically create like this kind of style. Okay, and then on this property 3 as well, again, click this one, parcel properties, change this one to open space, apply, and OK. So that is how we create the parcel in our site design. Okay, and then for example, you want to change the maybe like this label is quite messy, so you want to change the label style. So you can select, either you do one by one or you select one and then click on right. See, click first and then you right click, select similar. It will select all those label, and then go to properties and change the parcel label style to, maybe we can make it showing name and area. So this one. All right, so now it's good already. Okay. All right, so that is how you want to make it look like. Okay, and then the last one I want to show you is that, for example, in this property here, for your parcel here, you want to create, maybe you don't want to show the name, you don't want to show all those areas, you just want to show the numbers. Probably this one is property 10, and then you want to show only the 10 sign or the 10 symbol. So you can always click on this one and then go to the add labels. So this one, select this one and then go to area. See, okay, so you can change either, maybe you want to change this one only as the number. So click on this one or you can always go to let me see, annotate, and then go to add labels, and then the feature will be parcel, and the label type will be going to replace the area, and that will be the parcel number only. I'm going to click on add, and I can select all those parcel that I want to change into the numbers only for the name. Okay, you can select this one, this one, this one, and click on enter. So it will automatically change into these numbers only. So that is how you change the labels. Okay, so once you have showed only the labels over here, so probably you need to have a table. Maybe you want to show the table, you want to show the area and so on, because we don't have any information of the parcels area here. So you need to create a table. So in order to do that, you can click on this line, this parcel, and then click on add tables and add area. Okay, and then now you can change, you need to choose the table style. So the table style you want to input, or you want to show the area, perimeter, length, and also the bearing. And I want to turn on the parcel number, and also this one, name, area, and perimeter. And I can click on OK, and I can select on this side for the table. So click here. So it will automatically list all the parcel information that we have changed on the numbers. Okay, so that is how you can edit on your site design. Either you want to create another, maybe you want to create another grading here, so you can do that as well in your site or in your drawing in Civil 3D. Okay, so I think that is all from me. If there is any question, you can type in the chat above. Okay, before that, I want to share with you this one. Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, so if you are, I currently sharing my screen, which is our website, to acadsystems.com. So if you do have any inquiries regarding the trainings or our products or any software, you can always click on this button. And then, for instance, if you want to directly live chat with our agent, so you can click this one and just ask or type in your inquiries here. Okay, or you can also fill in the form and fill in your query here and send to us. Okay, so we will get back to you immediately once we receive any inquiries. Okay, and then if you want to watch again these free online lessons, you can always go to our Facebook or YouTube. So in our YouTube here, we have more videos that we have conducted. So you can watch from here anytime, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so I think that is all from me. If you do not have any questions, I will stop here. So thank you so much for joining, and I hope to see you guys again soon in the next free online lesson. And stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.